Alright, as y'all know, I've been building this little kit to go on my tool belt, my belt. But this little metal piece has been just not destroying, but it's, let's see if it'll come in. See, I was doing my belt right there. So I want the belt to last, so had to come up with a different idea, so we finally got us one of these. So we're gonna try this out. Let's see how it works. It's got the belt. Now it didn't really take this on and off. So who knows? But still gonna be the flashlight. Throw police security. If it'll show up. Got it from Lowe's. Rechargeable. Now, this might be a little hard to get in there at first. This has got to have to work out, stretch out. Yeah. And I have a video getting all the way up to this point, building this kit this far. Even shorts with the pins and a Leatherman Wave Plus. I do have plans on getting rid of this blade. That'll be in a future video, hopefully. And some bit kit, got that coming. Or Olight mini pin. Goes right here. But yeah, like I said, I got a bit kit coming. If I keep it in there, it seems like this don't hold. Be easier to get in and out than it was in this one. It was so hard to get it out of here. Sometimes it'll just pull it off your belt. But if it was plastic, like I said, it wouldn't come off your belt as easy. Maybe we would have kept up with that. But this was a medium. See, it has Wave Plus right there, but if you put this on here, clip it, you have plenty of space. I can stick my whole finger in there. But it shouldn't come out. Hopefully not. Let's try it like this. It'd stay like that, it'd be a lot easier to get out. You have to shove something in the bottom there. See how it ain't all the way down? Put it all the way down and close it off. See how much space you have up there now? When it's at the bottom. Just a little more to get your finger behind there. If it would stay like that, it probably won't. No. But so far I like it. I left the belt clip on here. That way if I know I'm gonna be using a lot, I just slide it in my pocket and hook it on there instead of back and forth to the sheath. But yeah, we'll give this a try for a few days. I was just getting this one stretched out, that flashlight, just like it is with this one. Pain in the butt to get in there sometimes. So I might be looking at getting another slimmer flashlight to go in there. We'll see. But yeah. If you got any ideas, shoot them towards me or to me. And hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.